Hi guys, this is 2005 the Lexus, the R350 model 3MZ engine. So this car had a problem is when we start the car is not rev up. When we accelerate the pedal, it's not rev up. So I can start the car. Okay, you can see the check engine light is on. Okay, car is running. So when we press the accelerator pedal, it's not rev up, it's not pressing. So first we have scanned the car, then have a look at the code. So we scan the car. So this is a P2118, the total actuator air control motor circuit range performance. So we need to follow up this code. Okay guys, this is the engine. They're saying this throttle motor control is performance stuck or something like that. So first, before we're checking for that, we need to find for all the fuses. Okay, we open the fuse box. We have to check this fuse, the 10 amp, the ETCS, that's mean electrical throttle control, is controlling the 10 amp fuse. It's showing this fuse. You can see one side is power, this side is nothing. So this fuse getting blown. So I got the new fuse. You can see power up there. Don't go to the straight away for the throttle motor. Check the fuse first. It is CS fuse. So that's a problem of this car, that's blown. Okay guys, we're going to erase the code. Okay guys, light is now no more when I press the accelerator pedal. Okay, now rev up the engine. All good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.